Hey everybody, last weekend I put together a Weber Genesis stainless steel grill. It was pretty easy, went together in about maybe an hour and a half, but the instructions are pretty easy. There's nothing written, it's basically just pictures, so it's pretty easy. I put it together in no time. There's like no tools needed except a screwdriver. They give you the wrench. So I've got it. It's going to be kind of a fast run through on the video, but it was pretty easy. So I just thought I'd show you how to do it. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment. Everybody should be able to just throw one of these together in like no time at all. Okay. I haven't used it yet. I'll probably get a review of the grill next weekend. All right. Hope you guys are good. Here we go. things together, but I hope that helped somebody out there. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.